Hi, I am back with the menu.
The menu is divided into beer,
Wines and spirits. We also have an extensive selection of cocktails if you are in the mood for them.
Yes, I will have a whiskey sour, and a cosmopolitan for my friend here.
Wonderful, our bartender makes them well. We always get compliments for our cosmopolitan with craft vodka.
We usually make our drinks with
A regular vodka, but this craft vodka is made by a family in small batches. Our bartender also muddles fresh cranberries in the drink, giving it a fresh taste. That is a signature recipe.
Sounds interesting. I will take one.
Thank you.
So one small batch cosmopolitan and one whiskey sour.
So in this video we watched the steps to take order and punch it in your point of sale. Did you observe three things in the conversation? The first was that Jay suggested a premium spirit instead of regular spirit.
We always get compliments for our cosmopolitan with craft vodka.
That improves the revenue for the bar. And also tips for you. Guests mentally provide tips based on a percentage of revenue. So if you increase revenue, it is a win-win for both the bar and for you. The second was that Jay not only suggested the drink but explained it so that the guest understood it better and why it was a signature. Go back to the place in the video where he explains the drink and see it once again if you missed it. Then finally, before he moved out of the table, he took the time to repeat the orders so that there was no confusion. These three steps in taking the order are essential to ensure you have no wastage and the guest understand what exactly they are getting. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also go to the description box below to watch the entire video series on providing good service in the bar. This video is part of a course on our academy at clarifiedbetter.com. It is a free course, so do check it out. On completion of the course, you will get a certificate, so visit clarifiedbetter.com and register for the course. If your hotel has enrolled for a corporate plan, log in to your online portal and enroll in the course. See you in the next video.